Hi, in this video I will show you how to change game location on Epic Games. So in order to actually do that, what we can do is we can head over first to the web page of Epic Games and go over to store.epicgames.com. Now in here you can see in here your account username, so head over and click on that and then go over right here to this account option. Once you have done that, it should be able to show you in here all of the settings that you have on your account. So we have in here the account settings. So what we can do in this case is to just scroll down from there. And in here you can see your personal details. So under that, you can see that we have in here the address. So you don't need to fill up the address line 1, 2, city, region, and postal code. But you do need to fill up the country and region. As of right now, we're currently on Philippines. So I'll head over and then choose that and change that into United States. So just look in here for the actual country or region that you want to choose. And then from in there, you should be able to find it and then select on it right here. Now click on Save Changes in order to save and click on Confirm in order to change it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.